So we hope, I hope, and I wish that people will understand the reason for my resignation. I feel that I've done what I have to do for ICI, but I have to also answer to the needs of my family, family concerns, and my own personal life. I want to get back my privacy. Hindi na ako makagalaw ng hindi na re-recognize sa labas, ano? Kahit na i-AI po niya yung mukha ko, ganun pa rin, no? So, just to put the record on straight, I have submitted my irrevocable resignation, which takes effect December 15. But I have promised Chairman Andy Reyes that I will make myself available, hopefully not beyond December 31st, but at any point in time that there's any need for my services in terms of technical, wala naman akong may contribute sa legal, no? So I'll make myself available. That's what I committed to the ICI commissioners.